Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. So tonight we're going to find out if this Onan Cummins Resonator really does quiet down a generator. All the reading that I've done, people say that it does make an improvement, and I did some quick testing when I installed this generator and it did quiet it down a little bit. So tonight we're going to stuff this thing on the tailpipe and do some sound measurements. First I'll do some measurements without this in place, and then I'll do some measurements with it in place. So I'm set up in the same place that I did my other sound testing in my driveway. It kind of simulates a little camping area. I did find a more permanent tailpipe and got that installed. It has a bigger drop to it. I just wanted a little bit more drop so I could have more room here for the resonator, and I really can't run it out back behind here like I had before because I have some LED strip lights. I have a small electric space heater that I'll use as a load. I'll turn it on to the medium setting. On medium it's 900 watts. And do the first sound reading at about 10 feet away. Here's our sound reading with no load applied. And here we are with the load applied. The resonator softens the exhaust tone. It kind of smooths it out so you don't hear as much of a pulse from it. If you get right up here next to it, you can distinctly hear the pulse from the exhaust note. There you can tell how distinctly it changes the exhaust note. You can definitely hear the pulsing of the exhaust without the resonator.